Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, if you use an iPhone every day, there's one simple thing you should consider doing once a week, and it could help keep your iPhone running smoothly. Most people use their iPhone constantly, but rarely take a moment to clean up what's happening in the background. Over time, apps, temporary files, background processes, and cache data can build up, potentially making your iPhone feel slower or less responsive. So, what should you do? Simply restart your iPhone once a week. A restart gives iOS a chance to close background processes and start fresh. It can help clear temporary glitches, fix apps that are acting strangely, and sometimes improve responsiveness when your iPhone has been running continuously for days. It's not a magic speed boost and it won't dramatically increase your storage or battery health, but it's an easy maintenance habit that can solve small problems before they become frustrating. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider, wait about 30 seconds, and then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you have an iPhone with a home button, simply press and hold the side or top button until the power off slider appears. And here's another important tip. If your iPhone is behaving strangely, restarting it should be one of the first things you try before changing complicated settings or deleting apps. You don't need to restart your iPhone every single day, but making it part of your weekly routine is a quick and simple way to give your device a fresh start. So, if you've been using your iPhone for days or even weeks without restarting it, try it today. You might be surprised by how many little issues disappear. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.